Hello. This video will begin to introduce you to how to supervise a student's research project in NoodleTools through the creation of a project inbox for the class or unit you are teaching. I will show you how to access and log into NoodleTools and create your own project inbox. This will allow you to enter each individual student's project in NoodleTools and see everything they are doing and working on. To begin, let's go to the library's homepage here. All electronic resources and information are accessible from this web page. In the databases box here, all the electronic resources are listed and linked in alphabetical order. Scroll down to the NoodleTools link and click on it. This takes us to the NoodleTools login page. Always sign in on the right side of the page here. You will always ignore the left-hand side of the page. If you try to sign in over here, it will not work. Enter your whole entire Keystone email address, including the @keystoneacademy.cn. Then click Sign In with Office 365, since we are an Office school. This takes us to the My Projects page in NoodleTools. This is where your students will create the projects for their units or assessments that store all their research. You know you are on the My Projects page because the My Projects tab is highlighted in blue. Your projects page might be empty, unlike mine, where I have a whole list of projects that have been already made. That is okay. Since you are a teacher, you should see another tab next to the My Projects tab called Inboxes. The students do not have this tab, only teachers have it. So go ahead and click on that tab. This is where you will create your project inbox for a class. We know we're on the Inboxes page because the tab here is highlighted in blue. A project inbox is your own folder where all your students' projects for that class are stored. When a student creates a project, it can be shared with you as the teacher. Once it is shared, it will show up in the project inbox you created and told them to share it with. This page shows all the project inboxes I have created already. You may not have any right now, but we're going to make one right now. So go up to the upper left-hand corner and click on the green New Project Inbox button. The dialog box will come up. Here in the Inbox Name field, we will create the inbox name. For this class, you will name your inbox your name-training. So for example, my project inbox will be called Rebecca-training. Now, you are also going to add 2 more people as additional recipients. They will also be able to access this project inbox and all the student projects shared with it. So people you might consider adding are a co-teacher, maybe a librarian who's working with you on the unit, or a learning assistant. You can add as many people as you want, but make sure they have created their NoodleTools account first. You cannot add someone unless they have an account. So you will then click on the additional recipients box and type in their email address. Make sure you type in their full entire email address. And for the second person, I will click the Add More button and add another box where I will type in their email address. Once I'm sure I've typed in all the email addresses correctly, I click the blue Submit button. Here I get the green message that my inbox was added successfully, and my inbox shows up here in the top of my list. I can, if I move over to the right, see how many projects that have been shared with my inbox. For this project, this inbox we just made, we don't have any yet. That's normal. We haven't had the student share anything with us yet, so that's okay. Moving more to the right, we can see who we shared this inbox with. Right there are my people. And over here on the blue options button, if I click on the little arrow, here's some options that I can do with my inbox. For example, edit, delete, and archive. Editing allows me to go back into the inbox page and change some of the features I added in, the inbox name, add or delete other recipients who I shared it with. Archiving, of course, is kind of obvious. I can archive an inbox. It makes the inbox not visible or usable anymore, but it is not really gone, not like it would be if I actually deleted it. So this is useful after a unit or a course has ended, or the beginning or end of a school year when you want to get rid of projects from the last year and clean things up a little bit. So that's all for this video. I hope you have created your inbox and understand how it can be set up for students. Until next time.